Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rename a fingerprint profile on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on biometrics, and then in here tap on fingerprints. Now put in your screen pin or password. Next, to rename a fingerprint profile, just simply tap on the profile name. Then in the rename text box, give it a new name. So here I can put second fingers, for example, and then tap on save, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and that's it. That is how you can rename a fingerprint profile on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.